Hi everybody, welcome back to another video. We finally completed this beautiful space for our clients. We have the barbecue ready for some ribeye. Okay, let's start talking about this project. We had a lot of weeds on this backyard. The clients didn't really use the space, so they reached out to us and they said, hey, can we do something with our backyard? Something that we can use, something that when the family comes over, we can hang out, make some food, relax, and enjoy our time. And I say, yes. Let's do a nice design to make sure that you guys like it. And we came up with this nice rendering that they like. They say, yes, let's roll, let's get it done. So we started by removing everything, pavers out, excavating everything to make this space come to life. We also brought our gas line to the fire pit. It was 1.5 inch gas line to be able to feed our fire pit and our grill and our burner. We need a lot of gas if you want to run the 3 at the same time. So then we kept on going with doing all the preparation. It's getting our final grades, adding all the base rock, compacting everything really nice to make sure that the pavers are not going to be sinking. So after that, we began with the installation of the pavers. The pavers are very nice. They are from Belgard. The color is Victorian, and it's dimensions #1, the style. And for the border, we have charcoal color. Looks very, very, very nice in my opinion. And then we added this accent, circle accent around the fire pit. As you can see, it looks very nice. It's a little bit better than just having the pattern going all the way around. We like to incorporate a little bit of a design, like a circle in this case, especially if the patio is flat, if it doesn't have any step. So there you have it, the pavers. And then let's talk about the fire pit. This fire pit, it's super nice. It's daylight, you're not gonna be able to see much, but you might be able to see me with this, right? But no, look the fire. It's a lot. It's very nice. You get a lot of heat. You can easily get 8, 9 people around this fire pit. The dimension of the fire pit itself is 4 feet, and in 4 feet. And with the 4 feet fire pit, you can easily sit 8 people around. And as always, we made sure that all the downspouts are hooked into our underground drainage so the water can go out to the street. We don't want the water here. Now, you might be wondering what's up with the landscaping. The hardscaping is finished, but it looks unfinished because we haven't done anything into the landscaping. That's because our clients are going to be working with the landscaping. We always propose to do the entire project, which is the hardscape and the landscaping, the softscaping, plants, trees, shrubs, and all of that, irrigation. Now, but in a lot of the cases, people want to do that themselves to save a little money. And for the main event, we have the outdoor barbecue area. And I'm going to give you some details about this. So we have 2 islands. One of them is the prep area, which is huge. Look at this. You can easily fit a cow here and then a pig. You can just do all your cuttings, take them to the sink, wash them off, and then take them to the grill. And then in 30 minutes, you'll be eating. So now this is the prep area, included some nice storage under to storage some firewood because the client is going to be getting some pizza oven for later. So all of this will be storage for firewood. Now you might be wondering what's up with this hole. Well, I wanted to leave that hole because sometimes I like to come and hide in there. So that's for me. Just kidding. We are missing the disposal. So we run into delays like every project. Once in a while, we don't get all the appliances on time. So we're waiting for this guy right here. And let me show you the sink. It's a very nice sink. You get your cutting board, so you can cut your veggies, your meat, whatever you want to cut. Just don't cut your fingers. And then we got the soap. We got some water in there, a lot of pressure. And yeah, so this is it for the sink. Besides this prep area, you get a nice, what is it, like 3-4 feet of more prep area. And then you get a nice burner. It's huge. You can sear your ribeye in this bad boy. And then you get a nice 40-inch grill. It's massive. And look, you got some nice lights for the inside and then accent lights here. The same as this guy. How do you like that? Then we have more storage under the grill. And then you get 3 doors. 1, 2, 3. There you go. And then you get a nice smooth finish stucco. You get a few options. The clients, they chose this one, which is not completely smooth, but it's not rough. It's like somewhere in between. And then let's talk about the countertop, which is granite. It looks beautiful. On this side, we added this backsplash from side to side to make the grilling area to look a little bit more complete. Of course, we still have a wrap in the appliances, and most of them, but we like to let our clients have the joy or the satisfaction to unwrap everything. And last but not least, we added this nice gazebo for them. It's 12 by 14. This is gonna give some protection to the barbecue, to the islands, the grill, the sink, everything, and also you can still enjoy if it's raining or if it's too hot outside, you can come in and still enjoy the weather and don't get sunburned. So that's it for this video. I hope you guys like it. As always, please follow and like us on Facebook and Instagram. You can send us your questions through our email, which is info@thirdheavenlandscape.com. Also, you can visit our website, which is thirdheavenlandscape.com. We have a lot of information there, even some about prices for you. But if you have some special project, please give us a call or a text. Peace.